Question 11 is 3 marks. Question. The question says Khalid has a box of counters. 17 are red, 28 are blue, and the rest are orange. He's going to take at random a counter from the box. The probability that he will take an orange is 4/9. Work out the number of orange counters. You can pause and try it yourself. Now, what I will do here is orange represent 4/9. That means the rest, these two, will be 5/9, isn't it? Because 4/9 and 5/9 make a whole. So now we know what fraction are red and blue. Let's add them. They are 17 red and they are 28 blue. That gives you 45. That's very good. That means 45 out of the total number of counters which we don't know is equal to 5/9. Getting to this point is almost finishing the question. Now with 5 times what makes 45? 5 times 9, isn't it? That means 9 times 9 is 81. So the total number of counters is 81. So how many are orange? Orange will be 81 minus 45. I'll just do this nice thing, cross here. This becomes 11, so 6, 3. So there are 36 counters in this box. And that's a 3 marks question. Now question 12.